So everyone is obsessed with red light therapy right now. But is it really worth the hype? Let's be honest. Red light therapy does have some science behind it. It can help reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and slightly improve healing for minor skin concerns. That's the good part. But here's the truth. Most people don't talk about the results are very subtle and temporary. It doesn't go deep enough to stimulate your collagen like microneedling, RF, or lasers do. And here's what really happens. Red light penetrates only the superficial layers of the skin. It stimulates your cells to produce a bit more energy and causes vasodilation, which means your blood vessels temporarily widen, and that can increase your oxygen and nutrient delivery, making your skin look slightly brighter or glowy right after the session. And then the downside, the effects are just temporary and mild. It doesn't reach deep enough to remodel collagen or tighten the skin like the RF microneedling or laser treatments do. So while it may help reduce mild inflammation or redness, it's not a substitute for medical grade rejuvenation procedures. So if you're expecting tighter skin, smaller pores, or dramatic anti-aging results from just sitting under a red light, sorry, that's not gonna happen. It's more like a gentle boost, not a miracle fix. So use it as a maintenance add-on and not your main treatment, because real results still come from real procedures. Okay?